Hello and thank you for tuning in. On our previous video I showed you how to make this rose flower. Well, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a granny square. So you're just going to use the red flower, and we're going to start. We'll still be using 3mm crochet hook. First you're going to start with green for the leaves, and you're going to make a slip knot. Then just grab the flower and you're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then you're just going to turn your work and you're going to make 2 double crochets. So there's 1 and 2. There. On the next one, the next loop here, you're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same loop we'll be making 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, like that. Next loop we'll be making 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Next loop we'll be making 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. This 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, and another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. There. Next loop we're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. There. So you're going to continue the same thing. On the next loop I'm going to make 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. On the other loop I'm going to make 3 double crochets. I'll meet you here. We're going to join by making a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet here, like that. Oopsie. And you're going to cut the yarn like that. Like that. Next I'm going to go in with my black yarn. Well, I'm using this black yarn because I'm doing a project and I want the base of the project to be black, but as for you, you can use any color. You can use white green, blue, whichever color of your liking. But for me, I'm going to make something that is black, so that's why I'm using my black color yarn. So I'm going to start in by making a double crochet there. I'll make 2 more, 2 and 3, and I'm going to make 2 chains and continue making 3 double crochets in the same stitch, in the same space. 1, 2 and 3 there. Okay, on this tiny space we'll make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Is another tiny space. We'll make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 there. Then we are here. We're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 2 chains and 3 more double crochets. 2 and 3. Okay, there's a tiny space here. We do the same. We make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. There's another one. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and we are here. This corner, it's a corner, guys. This is a corner, so we're going to make 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, 1, 2 and 3, tiny space, 1, 2, 3, another tiny space. Oops, my hand is just going to get rid of this. One, 2 and 3. The next corner here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 there. Then you're going to just join with a slip stitch on your first double crochet here, like that. The next row will be doing the same, but first we're going to make a slip stitch on this stitch here. 1, another one, 2 and another one, 3 there. And then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same space there. So you're just going to repeat. When where there is a tiny space here, you make a 3 double crochet, you make 3 double crochet, you make 3 double crochet, and then on top here you make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, like that. Wherever there is a tiny space, you make 3 double crochets in each, right? So I'm just going to make it so that it's this wide, like that. So just continue and make the size that you want. You can make a big one if you want a big granny square, but if you just want a small one, you can even stop at maybe the first, second, third, fourth row. 2, 3. So I'm just going to continue until I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of black yarn. 1, 2, 3. I'm on the 4th row. So here I'm going to make, I already made 3 chains. I'm going to make 2 double crochets, but now I'm not going to make 2 chains. I'm going to make just 1, because I'm just finishing up on this granny square, like that. So when you want to finish, or maybe you want it bigger, you can just make like 4 rows with it being 2 chains. But if you want to progress, you can just make with 1 chain only. So here I'm going to make 1 chain, one chain instead of 2 chains. And that's it, guys. That's how you make a granny square with a rose flower. Hope you liked the video. Kindly comment and subscribe and like and share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.